Hello everyone, welcome to 7 Tools. Today we get back to tool again. We got a Ramset hammer drills and it complained no drilling. It drilled but it's getting very weak, so I open up an inspection. So just like this, so everyone may have one, and hopefully you guys can do the same. We tried to drill but the motor got some smell coming out. So what we do on the hammer drill, you see every single bolt. Take up from here and get a bit of hammer, smash, and pull it up slowly, and you get out here this one and this one, and it came up. If you want to take this one up to you. And then what we do is see the wire on this one, make sure put the mark on this one, and you know which way to go. Otherwise you go the wrong wire, the drill will go different direction. And lift up this one, lift up like that, and the bottom one will be go in here. Okay, and we can put this one away. We can do service the lead later if you want. If you want a new lead, just replace the new lead later outside. Anyway, all that out. Okay, now easy is take up all the bolts for this one. It's using the 25 torque. What we do is just go in and take them all out. So we inspection the motor. You can smell it, you know. Okay, just like that. And if you want to make sure they look the same, you want to make sure the motor they all about the same or not, when you put in the right direction or not. It look very the same. The best way for you is make a little groovy mark here so you know which way to go, so don't go the wrong direction. See, like that. And you see, they got the groups here, All you do is release the brushes to get the thing pick up like that, and pull out the brushes, go like that. Okay, both sides do the same way. Pick up and pull it out. Okay, shit, it's stuck. Okay, so the brush go like that, and all we do is just go dig it. Oh shit, you can see the balls bearing is stop up. See the balls here, little balls. Oh, the little ball came up, so the bearing is gone badly. So we find the problems is you got the motor burn and smell, and it cut itself out because the overheat, and it's cut out. You see the damage here, just because the motor here, see the bearing, see gone. You see that? That's going to give very bad noise. We have to find out exactly what size the bearing and replace and service the motor and put a new bearing on, and it should be alright. Hopefully they last them another few more years before they see Simon again. But this one working really hard, and the drill is really good. So so this one, see, they damaged the vibration, and we tried to pull up the rubber out inside here if you could. See, they got a little rubber. We got a little rubber. Yep, they got a little rubber here. So after we put the new bearings, and the rubber we go, the rubber we go out there to keep the vibration better. So we do service the motor, clean up inside, clean up the motor here. See the dust, and clean the see this one. Get the fine sandpaper 800. Make sure it go all around, so no more burn, because vibration and it burn a lot. And the bearing, don't let anything that magnet or anything suck it in, because make sure clean over here, no magnet in here sucking the balls in. So make sure super clean, and we will be alright. We get the new bearings and put in and test it. Okay. So okay, the motor, and you see the handle broken like this. Handle no good. To give him a new handle, I get the Milwaukee handle, and it should be working good, and it's gonna be like that. It's good actually. All right, because now the problem is we try to get the motor bearings, not that easy. So we have to take it up, and if we can read something or we try something that we got in stock. Yes, by using this one, stop it falling down. Using this one, stop it falling down. See, by my whacker tool holder, and don't damage the motor. And I got another hand to put something here, and I can knock it down. What a brilliant idea, brother. Simon is a tool. Oh shit! Simon is a tool King Kong. She coming. She coming. She coming. She coming for good. She coming for good, man. Look how hard it is. I even bend my tools. Very hard. But hey, see it here? I don't want damage to any of this one, so be very careful, okay? What I do is grab the, so it's gonna be hard. So I grab around this one. Later we take it up to protection the armature. See, go in. It's gonna be harder. Okay, we come up. One more. Oh shit. Okay, hopefully I get this one out by using a bigger one. Look at that. Just this little one, baby. Look at that. Okay. And we can match the bearing, see if we can get the size. And lift that up, you see? That's what we should do, and don't want to damage the armature. That's what we have to do. I hope I can get this one. It's here. Let's see what size they are. 607. Just mesh it on. Just like that. And ball bearing covers like that. That's it. And all we do is just slide the other one on with following the groups on this one. Go on the groups where is the this one, and all we do is just slide in. But take this one out and start with this one first. Turn any way you want, right? This one can turn to changing direction. So you go in, not comfortable, you go in, push it down, and then you can turn opposite. So this one changing direction of the tools. Okay, we put them on, and I'm happy. And we can test movement of tubes. One more, and we slide. So that one, no hammer, with hammer. Drill. Really good. Work, okay? Go backward direction. Okay. The tools ready and should be going. Thanks for watching Simon Tools.